All right, guys, we're back working on the project build, the D100. Today we're gonna do a little wheel reveal for you all so you guys can see those. Maybe get the doors mounted on them on the cab. So stay tuned, guys. All right. Good at all. It's gonna fall. Oh! It's gonna be a wheel review. These ones 20s?
Yeah, 20 by 10s and 20 by 9s.
I think it needs some bigger brakes. See, that would have looked good to have a wired tire like that on your 48. It's gonna be so pretty. Will that brake fluid actually eat away on the wheels? Brought to you by O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly.
Only got 4 lug nuts in here. This video is brought to you by Best Choice Root Beer. Just kidding, not really. Anyways, guys, we got the wheels on here, as you can see. It's kind of sitting like a 4-wheel drive right now, kind of high, but still have these 2-inch lowering shackles, or an inch, whatever choice you want to do. These are made for a Chevy, but they're quite a bit cheaper and basically the same thing. So that should work. We think the front wheel is gonna sit pretty well inside the fender well once we get it on there, but the back, not quite for sure how it's gonna sit. If these don't do the job, my dad's talking about actually taking this perch and raising it up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches possibly. See there, still has a lot of weight to add. The gas tank's gonna go right there. That's a 22-gallon tank, so that's gonna be almost 200 pounds itself. Still have the bed and everything, so it might come down where it needs to be. When we both sat back there, it was actually, it dropped it 1 inch there, so the wheels look pretty good. I think it's gonna look real well with this green color, that light gray there. Probably do like a light gray interior or something and just tie it all together.
God, it was just so high compared to that. And that's a 3/4 ton. But that's, as long as the wheels get up in there close like that, that's all I was caring about. See, those tires there are they're just as big as these.
The post wasn't in the way.
16 inches.
16 and when it was
The 3/4 tons is 14 and a half.
14.5 inches with everything on it. So the front tires, they are 255 45 20s, as you can see there. And the back, they're also 20s, but I think they're a little wider tire. These ones are, let's see here, 295 40 20. So yeah, tad wider tire, as you can see there. It's gonna look real nice and under there for sure. But it's coming together, guys. I hope you guys follow along with the build, guys, and if you're liking the videos, please subscribe with us and give that video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next update on the truck here, the D100. Thanks for watching, y'all.